One of the great ideas to which Shakespeare was introduced in his reading of Roman authors such as Virgil and Horace was that of fame. The idea that a writer could achieve posthumous fame, could achieve a kind of immortality through their work. It's something that Shakespeare writes powerfully about himself in the sonnets. And although he didn't see more than half his works into print in his lifetime, his fellow actors and friends were determined that Shakespeare should achieve the kind of fame that the great writers of Antiquity had achieved. And so it was he became the modern classic, our classic.